This 2016 BMW 7 Series is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 750i xDrive M Sport $110,045 MSRP New M Sport Package I M Sport Exhaust System Shadow Line Exterior Trim Sport Package 2 Sport Steering Wheel Sport Automatic Transmission Fine Line Black Wood Trim Ambient Light Single Fog Lights Aerodynamic Kit Executive Package 2 Rear Sunshades Front Ventilated Seats Instrument Panel with Leather Front Massaging Seats Driver Assistance Plus Eyesight and Top View Cameras Parking Assistant Active Blind Spot Detection Daytime Pedestrian Protection Lane Departure Warning Driver Assistance Plus 2 ACC Stop and Amp Go Active Cruise Control with Stop and Amp Go Active Lane Assist Traffic Jam Assistance Arm and Curtain Surround Sound Comfort Access Panoramic Moonroof Icon Adaptive LED Headlights Head-Up Display BMW Assist Decal Surround View with 3D View 20 and Quad M Wheel 648M Wireless Charging Gesture Control Wi-Fi Hotspot Increased Top Speed Limiter 4.4L Twin Turbocharged V8 Engine xDrive All-Wheel Drive System Keyless and Tri-Keyless Start Park Distance Control Heated Front Seat Cooled Front Seats Massaging Front Seats Bow Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.